Near, still nearer, close to thy heart. Draw me, my Savior, so precious thou art. From me, my soul, me close to thy breast. Shelter me safe in the heaven of rest. Shelter me safe in the heaven of rest. Nearer, still nearer, nothing I bring, not as an offering to Jesus my King. Only my sinful, now contrite heart, grant me the cleansing thy blood doth impart. Grant me the cleansing thy blood doth impart. Nearer, still nearer, while life shall last, till safe in glory my anchor is cast. Though endless ages ever to be, near my Savior, still nearer to thee. Nearer, my Savior, still nearer to thee. Here is the second one, Sweet by and by. Zemlja radosti čeka nas sve. There's a land that is fairer than day, and by faith we can see it afar. For the Father waits over the way to prepare us a dwelling a place in the sweet by and by. We shall meet on that beautiful shore in the sweet by and by. We shall meet on that beautiful shore. We shall sing on the beautiful shore the melodious songs of the blessed, and our spirit shall sorrow no more. Not a sign for the blessing of rest in the sweet by and by. We shall meet on the beautiful shore in the sweet by and by. We shall meet on the beautiful shore. To our bountiful Father above, we will offer a tribute of praise for the glorious gift of His love and the blessing that Hal ordains. Gospod sam, malo još vremena, pa će vječnost osvanuti nam. Our elders, John Kruljac and Marko Levatić, with announcements.